Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change your display name on Zoom. So to do that, you are going to go to your profile. You will be redirected to the website. So here, you're going to select edit, and under display name, you're going to change the name of the display name on Zoom. So when you start a meeting on Zoom, it's going to basically be different. And that is pretty much it. It's going to change your display name. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.